Servus ihr Lieben, schaut doch bitte in der Beschreibung, da gibt es verschiedene Links, wie man die Leute in der Ukraine unterstützen kann durch verschiedene Organisationen. Da mich freuen. I've been happy lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. And I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world as one, and I believe it could be someday it's gonna come. 'Cause out on the edge of darkness there rides a peace train, and peace train, take this country, come take me home again. And I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. And peace train sounding louder, guide on the peace train. Come on now, peace train, holy roller, everyone jump upon the peace train. Come on now, peace train, get your bags together and bring your good friends too, 'cause it's getting nearer, it'll soon be with you. Now come and join the living, it's not so far from you, and it's getting nearer, soon it'll all be true. Peace train sounding louder, glide on the peace train. Come on now, peace train. And I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live in bliss? 'Cause out on the edge of darkness there rides a peace train, and peace train, take this country, come take me home again. And peace train sounding louder, glide on the peace train. Come on now, peace train, holy roller, everyone jump upon the peace train.